Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Roblox on laptop and PC, and I will also show you how to install Roblox on Windows computer, right? So if you just type Roblox in the Google, you will get this first link here. Just tap on it. So guys, once you tap on it, you will be redirected to this page, and here it will ask you to make an account. But if you have already have an account, then just click on login, and here you have to enter the username, email, phone number, whatever you have made your account, and the password. Once you do it, you will able to log in into Roblox. So guys, if you have logged into the Roblox, the interface will be look like this. And from here, if you want to play any game, you have to install Roblox installer, right? So let me show you. So first of all, let's say that I want to play this game, right? So if I just tap on it, it will ask me, you can see here that there is a green icon, right? So if I just tap on play icon, it will ask me to install, right? Here, let's just wait for a few seconds, and it will ask you to install, download and install Roblox. So if you just tap on it, it's just a small file of 5 MB, so it will just take a few seconds, and once you click on it, it will ask you to install, right? So for example, if I just click on it, it will ask me to install, and once the installation is done, my Roblox will get installed over my laptop or PC. And if I just click on open Roblox game client, right? So if I just click on it, I will be redirected here. So let me show you. Sometime it's take a little bit of configuration, so you have to just wait for it. And here yeah, I'm redirected to here. You can see this is Roblox, and if I just click on a play, I will able to play the game over my Roblox, right? It's very easy to do it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.